Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Karmalim bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya's MLAs discusses digital connectivity with Chairman MP. Garo NGOs rejects meeting in Shillong to discuss on the reservation and roster. Medical equipments taken away from MCH Nongson to Maukarwat. And HSPDP to raise the reservation policy in the roster committee. And now the news in detail. On the 29th May, 6 young MLAs of Meghalaya engaged in a dialogue with Chairman MP Florian Muller, aiming to bring about development in these two sectors within the state. 6 young MLAs from Meghalaya, including Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Shakliar Wajri, Santa Mary Shilla, Damanbait Lamare, Charles Marngar, Ayan Botham Sangma and Gabriel Walang had a productive discussion on the topics of digital connectivity and transport in India, specifically focusing on the state of Meghalaya with Florian Muller, MP member of the German Parliamentary of the CDU-CSU Parliamentary Group, and Dr. Adrian Hack, resident representative to India of the Konrad Adenauer Stiftung, New Delhi. Florian Muller, the German MP, highlighted the interdependence between transport, infrastructure and digital connectivity, emphasizing that they rely on each other for effective operation. He mentioned that the development of modern transport infrastructure has facilitated faster and more efficient movement of goods and people globally. During the interactive session, the Meghalaya MLAs expressed their concerns about the inadequate transportation infrastructure within the state. Meanwhile, Shakliar Wajri acknowledged the significant improvement in road infrastructure within the state over the past 5 years. It is a tough decision for the government to make on the reservation policy and the roster system. It is in a crossroad whether to listen to its right or left. Two groups are in a tussle, none is willing to comply. On the 29th May 2023, the conglomerate of NGO leaders from the Garo Hills region, including GSU-CC, GSMC, AAYWS, AAYF William Nagar, and others, convened a meeting in Tura to address the ongoing discussions surrounding the reservation roster system in Meghalaya. In a unanimous decision, all participating NGOs have decided to reject the government's invitation to discuss the reservation roster, which is scheduled to take place in Shillong and be convened by the Chief Minister. The NGOs firmly believe that the discussion should take place within the Garo Hills region, closer to the communities directly affected by this issue. The United Unions expressed their determination to protect the rights and interests of their own, and if needed, they will initiate a series of agitations to ensure the just implementation of the reservation policy and the roster system.
GSU, Zoni, GSMC, AYWS, AYF, William Nagar, meeting Munsako decide kaha, singa da government ni jingo rooster system ni mun okama ni ko singa uko rasak sawa, mana yaho meeting en jibo jaga ruso meeting ako namika, mana da uko singa da seno ba singi demand sarong juk singa da uko parake na apte, singi demand sarong juk, je da kayong ba, an singi je besi so buana, an sing kamna ko manja semua backlog ran dongin sem, warang ko fill up kat singa nanga, ni singa ko demand kainga, warang ko fill up kani jamusa, je ko ba discuss kana na ole kagen. Unigimen saya meeting ko attend ka jawa aro mkhangchi yako taraken ya register system ko Meghalaya government agata nanga whether ya retrospective pong na ba prospective pong na ba do andi ba singnade balance ong atna ita singni rights ko singni je ko matna nangni no achum ukusari binga mana pani ko chara sekang uja pani job ko sekang uja singni matna nangni ukusari binga unigimen singnade ko re compromise kana manjawa singnade ko na nam thelgen unig munda singa thang injo sang ino meeting en ba dalo decide ka ha itin sa diman kainga ari ko dakwa nam thelgen unig isa pa government kana sang oda haidam khangchi singa agitation ko khana nang namaduma.
After receiving the news that hospital equipments were taken away from the maternity and child hospital Nongson to another hospital in another district brought disappointment to the people of West Khasi district. As per the information collected on the 23rd May, 2 trucks arrived at the place to take away the equipments from the hospital at Nongson and will be transferred to Civil Hospital Maukarwat. The Khasi Hills Students' Union, West Khasi Hills District, inquired on the matter at the DMHO office and found out the information was accurate, and therefore the union expressed dissatisfaction on the act and demanded that government to return the hospital equipments back to the place where they first were and to effectuate the hospital at Nongson to benefit women and children of West Khasi Hills.
Ini nakaliang juga sengiwan hapunika jaka hadin mengiliyo jengtep ba yaki ketuk ani tiar di balamang nakabantakan ika MCF joka Nongstoy para no showai habang lawat jengtep nakaliang jong DMHO jong DMHO ila pentep ba la don syak bukum kata nakaliang jong seng penpoi ke jeng persya kan ke jingle kabalong ke jingle siliang bat ka jing nyobeng ya ki pajba bad ya ka distrik hibarok kawai di nomor hagijin syai ya kini ke MCH hapok Nongstoy lada bansna nadu arjar katsan arjar kan riu di henrei haduk mentang 4 pli nakaleng jo kaseng nilai jupot budin bunsin ya kini ke kam empat kadau baka sarkar ka ai kolong ba ngimpadon ya ki takiman powar lan ki nong trei di kajengkeli baka nakaleng jo kaseng ngikuak banbu suka sarkar kolong lada bantung yaki nong trei hapo GNM hapo blood center hanong stoy lalak bantung tung lakatung klem daya yaki kendon katkum ke jinglap juga seng ti kan ayu lada yaki ni bentaru lada kidang don kita kibana bombyang kinong trei kibandang duna ka sorkar kadai benlek kumju lakalong bantung nok kloi kemulale kini gue pat ki benta di nangta nakaling seng ngikwa ban pentip ban penkan mauru ba katkum kidata ba kaseng kalau yok ban lum jengtip kalong ba hangni ha Nongstoy Civil Hospital haduk menta ki ba khambun ka percentage ki ba wan ban pha sumar ban syak sumar kidai kilong kemi ki ba armet bat ki khulung namar kata nakaling jo kaseng ni kentui ko sarkar ba kani ka jingle jong sarkar ban rakno ikitiar nakawai ya kitiar ki belamang hang ni ban rakno shawai pat kalong ka pensungsi bat ka penpauru ya ka jingdu jengkerman nak menta jong iki nongsong snong bat ki pajba joka Nongstoy bat joka distrik Brokawai kamar hanong stoy hi haduk menta kumbang kaseng kala judawan ka por ban plino ya kani ke MCH ti henrei ka jubab ka bang iyo na ka sarkar kalong hakini kelenti ti kalong ka basusi ngatrai la kalong ka jaya kano ka jaka ya kano ka dong ka tany kalong ka basusi lada kija ki bukum kini jingja nomor lada ya ka bahak ka banta ka jongi lawan keni no danore dono lani la susim juba la subet ai no shanori ki bom syam la de hok hot ni iba i health minister ila keren bagi long ba ya kanong stony an samang da ki wepat ki tiar ki balak sanction bat kadang don hakalenti ban penpoi syani nakaliang jong seng ngi kuak ban keren da kapasai ba nginom ya keren ngila tip lupa ngila sungthuk lupa ngila yat bat ngila mat ba wat ya ka ba ladap ban sna tang ban pentrikam tang ban pli tang ban sanction ni kita kipus kasimpor daki posnem ti ngi artatin ba kita kijingkular jong kenika minister la banlong ki sishan makini ki detang kijing persungthuk bakla kijing yalam bakla nomor ni kwa ru banbu kijingkeli ya sarkar ba ka kadai kijing bakla jongi ki pajba atau kadai kijing bakla jongi ki pajba ba ya ka bala don ru ngin simno ni kadai kijing bakla jong ka sarkar lani kijing le don bor jong ka sarkar ti nakaliang jong ka seng ni dawa ba ya ki tiar gitar ya kan ki MCH dai ban pli nok mardor lem kumta kaseng kambon se ban sim da ki weipat simjam
HSPDP decided to take the reservation policy issue to the notice of the Chief Minister and also the Coordination Committee of the MDA government in the revision of the same. Speaking to the media persons, the President of the party, KP Pangyang, and the MLA of the party, who is also the member of the roster committee, Methodius Dakar, expressed their concerns on the reservation policy and support the same aim of VPP. Methodius also informed that he will bring the issue to the notice of the Chief Minister and also the roster committee of the MDA government.
Ba lari ki pai ba jong ka jala ki ai ya ka jing kersan ni ka mandi to biang ngin persang ya ka pan pen bha su ya ka na ni pen baik na ka benta ka jing pen bha ya ka reservation policy ka balong ta ka jing mentai jo chai di jongi ampan kun samla ka ba arpat ngiliakren ke bede bagane ka reservation policy namar ba ka HSPDP kala dai lepa ka way ka partner kepadon apo kane ka sarkar MDA 2 ti namar ka tana ka leng jingi kum ka party ngin ra bat ngin kren bat ngin yatai khamha sisu ya kane ka problem na ne ka chinge bat kumno ban pediya khmat ya ka kalong ngin siya kren ya ka kam ringkat bat ke MDA partners ke jogi lah ke kerdan lar kadai haka coordination committee ni haka no meeting ka ba ka MDA 2 government ka bangidon lut ki party ki bayadon bat ka ni kentu ya usip men seban rom pun ayengi ka platform ba dia tai ka mai kata gilong ki penta ki mangikum ka party darasi ila don ya ka ban dekren halo kene ka pa
kumbang ilaya keren benda nakaliang juga parti ke suki halor kini ki berak bat kumbang ila abu ke manifesto ba ipak mat penbet bat penbahaya ke reservation policy kumbang kinu yalam bat kumbang ke parti kinu yalam bari menurut mensyuar kilaya imsi ba kinu ya budin bani semua usaha ke sarkar ki cingdon kam nakaliang ke jonga bat nakaliang jong minister ya kata ngin yang simkia Bagaimana personal usaha sarkar, bagaimana personal usaha ki komiti, bagaimana budin, bagaimana simkia kini berapa bagi nongilam kepala mat masyarakat kilaya imski, ngirungnya imski, bagaimana pen kenmau, bagaimana idawa, kadon kacing penuh kacau, kadon kacing not kam, bagaimana penbahaya kini ke reservation polisi bagaimana kita.
Members of Hito West Janta Hills on the 29th May marched towards Secretariat to meet with MLAs and Government Minister from Janta Hills to force them into revising the reservation policy led by the VPP President Arden Basayamot, who is still in between the hunger strike. Speaking to the media persons, the leaders of Hito West Janta Hills informed that their actions followed after they failed to meet the MLA at his residence. Therefore, the members were left with no option but to pursue him at the Secretariat, but their attempt were unsuccessful when they were stopped soon as they entered the Secretariat. After a while, only 2 leaders were allowed to enter to meet the MLA. The members of Hito could only meet with the MLA from Raliang constituency, Kamingwan Umban.
Hito kayeng Kamakari Hinawa Jagaho Hinawa Jagaho Hito kayeng Kamakari Hito kayeng Kamakari Hinawa Jagaho Hinawa Jagaho Hito kayeng Kamakari Hito kayeng Kamakari Ipan bor reservation di Bandar Ulang reservation di Bandar Ulang Dewan review reservation Dewan review reservation video nè dạo nó phi của em nè phun luôn là đây upload video nih ya one Joy combine tadi kumpul menuju kibat jauh
Đáp lên phim Mỹ.
Ini konsumen bakal PlayStation ba. Der mingwan de ba yung jongki tadi bang pano. Kani jongki kamber ka jongki. Dim sto katar ngemder mingwan ba pukul mar ne mo. Mingwan na ne bang ang bangin penbaik ka. Ha kam tung ja. Nder mingwan ba pukul mar. Ya ya kata mo. Kata ka. Ni kamot na bangin ni tilam bandre bangin penput tema. Tang bangin lay banya kran na ta ka thong kam pinjang. Kata ka bali min hapun Apa Tore kata. Kani ni de sang duty jo. Kita sama pihak ni kita pihak ni. Lalaki orang itu wan tu. Lah, enam sinung tak. Jadi pat ayuk ni haban phone tu haban kita setengah. Haban tu saya kemudian ayuk kita phone Cukup tambal sini ya. Yang kalau phone mentah phone tambal sabab. Kena phone. Semut lokal baru no. Dia no coming. Tu badan sabab tu baterai ko tu. Dia lokal kampung itu ba. Long dah phone api pan. Jadi phone pi tak pan. Dan kam phone re. Mungkin xem đây bàn phone đây là cáiยิงjong kim á. Ini kan dia, bila lah sebab tu. Nak tahu apa ibak kan ni?
Wan haying ro, mendapre wan office ro, mendapre tu mo.
Jadi haying telu. Jadi kum ni dia lah, kum bangi ni nak sama dah sini, kum bangi rak tiara tar dah. Pun dah ni. Kamera lah. Yo masnya apa tidak ayu. Yang jauh dari. Ini tas. Phone về chỉ bắt tay vậy, phone không được. Em để chúng chỉ xả lại đây ban khót đâu về nhận này ban orang mah, nomor kan yang gede.
Em long baca pita ba, tadi ba, in pada sebelah ni.
Ini lamut bagi tenggelam, berbagi. Ini kamera batir dah, kamera phone. Presiden Jama hukum dah Rishabh Roth jangka itu hadirin bangila lagi genduk jadi minister jangka cangkia berniangut sekian congki berkimdon dan kata marmari ni kum kilomelam jangka west cangkia nila hat jenis selong ban selong ru nila lek sekian berkisah ataru ni genduk te adin ding kendo ni dalam jangka sang bang ko West Rangia Hill nomor ini ki MLA di Bangitha Banyasai na kabanta kadaw ba jong gari kasi Rangia kimsam nakran ya kam thungkam tunjam te nakata kadaw ni kum kasang ni siaw pia ya kan ke jingle jong kine ki MLA jongi ni klam pha eki bakin le chong tang ha suki ni pha eki bakin kran na kebenta kimat kijura tiba upai ba jong ka jantia Ukraine. Dekai ke bangilai kendo ba di MLA jong ka triran yang ba kuming liru nang ba in simkia ban kran ne kane bat ngila keliru ha kanong rim ba hukum umau badan ha sarkar gila ya simne am kata karai ya kane ka tungkam tumjau wang haduk mentagi kelempat tengi na kaliang kaseng na pok bes jantia dilang barok ko ikingit kibewan sene bangila bui ke cingkerpat bui keren na mentagi ne kimat badan kam kekawiru wan ba lada kini MLA kimla lene kimkran na kabanta ka im kayap jong jai benru hapo jantia udaina banhiar supi nada umle kumta mikum kasen ni ong kane ka dai tang ka jingwan menta haduk niangut ngila lek mo imla bandan ngila lek sikiying jong ki tong bakim don dahang ne pat ngila lek anang lele ngiyo kendo tang bayi ba koming omban ni ba de nang jong ka triral yang constituency ke kita sendiri wot ngintip seno don ru ki bong kim don hang ne don ru ki bong kidong dan meeting ngintip ki don nem don tang bang lia phone ba kitu PS jong kiru kim air ini kata ke jubab ke biang ki ong ap hang no ngidam ni ham ni pai kata ru kalong ke kadak peni ba kini ki memele kim sim kiana ke banta kalawe ke bapernai jong gari jantia
Idon em kejung semua buat panme kendo biang pot.
Ya mentah ni don kejung semua bani kendo tang bangin up lanu kindon maki namar ngin sale biang ya kabdon kam lada ngin ban biang haying jongki lada kindon ngin ong ngin tit bat ngin pen ki ben ya kaying jongki namar balai dei mangi ba pen kiu iki dei mangi ba pha iki sene kendai tang katai keliang kejong ni kejong ni anda ngilau lada kim kran ai ya gane ga thukam tum jang ngangan ong bei anda ngilau ban biang sejisin ngin ong ngin ra batia batar banile persya batine mar bale kim kai snap show yangi kiru ki habdei ban berkat kimne borok sirta kimne borok sejingin mung ki habdei ban berkat nang ya kapateng ke bansawan kenja ayu lada kim don maki lada kim kran mental lano pat kim kran lo santos nambal adam nikum kasem nidap de gajing selsi bat ni ongru lada kim kran ai ngingin dong ngin sapai nilalong di bala pukre banyele na kabanta kene kahok kabangini habdei banyo bayro nga kwa ban penpa ba hakano kanong rem ba ugaro uyo 100% uday tangguwe jay nipat ki kasi bat jantia niyo 100 haba ka population ru ibon mangi kawairu hagajing sisya habang ili school ngipuli ki jo ki alphabet nado e hado z balay ugaro udon se kita ki extra alphabet bu pule uyo tamma u yangi ngingi kwa ngi de hapdei ban yo ka jo ngim kamam don kano ka jingno siliang lane ka jinghap siliang tanggata hingin ong lada ki MLA jong ka jantia kim kren ngingin ong ngilalong ke balapung kre banyele na kabanta kene ka dawba jong gari kasi jantia jong tang kita kulay sibur
Cái là khang luôn nghìn sơ rung mà nghi kiến tăng ban nhọ đúng hay dân trong lã biếng ya cái jing da ba jong ni tingi da ban pen inyo ke
Don masnya. Selesai. Ketriat, nas ketriat. Ondar ketriat wong.
kharu kusim
Lep kharang kasi om dan lagi.
sono
Param dan.
Mara dos ketriat
Hah?
sono sono ha Dai git katay na rumam. Reming git jog dai katay ni tayam.
Nomor ketudang dang sna.
Ketudang sna kidarong.
Ane pamunong ra
Ila masnya ada tagi kan opsi.
Kau kapan gini prarekod. Mana kali orang i kam gi kon po yang kawan art yang constituency. Wat kam jo yang gini perlom. Kudi krelang di mentak im kaya pakai ke chon. Kayong kejai brung i. Iwan he bertu he nam yang kejai brung. He bertu yang kehito. Ke iwan ini hagayung yang umasnya gi ongi. Wa ile hadokan ni. Laru nyau teligis ni wa Wina UMLA na perdiong ki warchana jengau ya kani kijing dawa le menta ke bahak kam bahak jam iwan ini ipen bori lane ikarpan iya umas nyau wa usnyau bha kai bertuj wagi kam woto wa hap MP kemensin krek lang lane pai yekte ka khia ka chon hapo kani ka ri ka thanyong i ha to i daw ong ne bhai le woto i hapo ka me kha lia hapo ka stit long i bon yu start henrai de menta ka jing do kam do jam duk imi madan dan dari yang i napok kawan artiang konvensi ikarpat i umasnya usnya bha wa ke jikerchan ni emesin ya oba aden kamno kwa dang not hawro hi kani ka than mat wro hi kani area wam to kwa chimat armet henrai uba dan emjenyu nei benta ka kam chimet yang u henrai jenyu di benta ka kam kom step man gawi yang ki kon karo gustat gutip ki yang ngak yang pi ka nya bha ka chan nai u ka gawi ong kerbo wana leong i laraja kayi ko jai ba aden hadu upo po di o poduk uwo thia hostel ina yang i kam ki khonro hapo go briu neutrat onga tin ngila pengkre kata do kerwo ne yang wa kam piwa nya ba him ni sin jam ko wa san pa lagi snem rep sedin ila hadu kata chong pi po ko skitret kumji pi kap kre ka kayi ko pan man ne gi pan bo de pi wa i kam ki kon yang kani ka tha ngi ro wi duk iya ka ki iksa pai de ki khmat bat nya de skori yi i da wai bar i ipani kata da kerwo na kaleng yong i po ko wanar tiang constituency
komentar kasngi ngina liang jongka West Jaintia Hill District jongka hito hadin bangila yo jingtip bagi nong yalam nane kita ke MLA ki bangila depjet na po Jaintia bakim don sa kathan jongi habang ilik sa ying jong kiro kim don re sa ka snong Kidon jang ne Shillong bat mentaru ngiwan jang ne Shillong kim don. Tega e ke bapen siosi yang ngikum kinong ilam. Abang yoi ya gajing bom don jongki marmar ngila wan jane Shillong bat anda ngila poi hang neru kim bom don. Tega ne ke bapen siosi thang yang kum kinong ilam jong ka jai bendreu dan kum kinong ilam jong ka imlang salang Tega ke ba kadau ba ke bangiwan hang ne dai kadau ba bangi kwa bakin keren na kabenta ka job reservation policy kane gadai ka jakpo jong ka Jaintia jongi ngikwa ba minister jong ka Nortiang constituency bu unkren ya kane kamat na kabenta ka kia ka shon jong kajai bendreu jongi kamdai ba ka jingwan jongi hang ne bangi peni bagadak bangi persya yaki hendrai ngikwa bangi dawajur bakin kren na kabenta ke hok na kabenta ke jingdon kam jong kari kasi Jaintia te habangi yo phone ru ngim yo phone te hadin ang ta ngila wan hang ne kumbana do na Nortiang constituency ru ki unit jong ikila don bat na karaliang nang ta na kamu kayaw ru ngilawan hang ne ban persngaw ya kata gajing terang bat ya gajing ang not jongi.
Leaders of the Hnyothrep Youth Council HYC on the 29th May met personally with the VPP President Arden Basaimon outside the Additional Secretariat to express their support and assure him their assistance in the fight to revise the reservation policy. It's the 7th day that Arden Basaimon had continued the hunger strike. Supporters from all over the city had witnessed the determination of the leader. The heavy rain could not shake the determination of these men in their pursuit.
And so many legislators in the past who is in the present government, they have raised this issue time and again. So we feel that since the job reservation policy in our state, based its allocation of quota on population, need to be reviewed or need to be along as per the population, which means that it is necessary for the job reservation policy to be reviewed for every 10 years, or to be very specific, we need to review after the census came into published. So we feel that the Meghalaya government should take these matters very seriously. The legislature of Khasi Jengkei Hill should unite on this issue, because this issue will not benefit party A, B or C, but this issue will go a long way toward the beneficial of the Neo Trip community as a whole. We should come together with a cool mindset to discuss and finally resolve this issue, which has been a thorn in the flesh for the past 50 years. So we feel that the government should listen to Baharudin Basemoy, because he is not raising the voice of VPP alone, he raised the voice of the Neo Trip people as a whole. Government till date is demanding on this issue, and we know the reason. The reason is not the legal issue, which they have said time and again, but the reason is purely political convenience. Because if they review this policy, they may feel that the Aceh committee may not like it. So that is the only reason which the government has till date has not yet resolved this issue. But we feel that the government is guided by the principle of justice and fair play. So we feel that based on the principle of justice and fair play, the government should invite Baharudin Basemoy for a talk. They should invite all the important stakeholders for discussion and for a talk. And this issue needs to be resolved one and for all. In case the government fails to do so, we from the Neo Trip Youth Council has already had plan in our mind, and we will take that action and appropriate.
The Neo Trip National Youth Movement HNYM on the 29th May met with the Chief Secretary of the State DP Walang to urge him to change the recruitment under Para 2.2 of the reservation policy. The president of HNYM, Louis Dr. Dong, speaking to the media persons, exclaimed that under the para, it is mentioned that combined reservation is given in district level with 80% and should be reserved for residents of the district. As per the information received from Louis, the Chief Secretary had assured to take this matter for discussion, which will be held on the 31st May, that the government fixed for all interest groups to meet and discuss the reservation policy on the roster system. He added that the union will await the letter from the government. If it was on the discussion regarding the roster system, it will withdraw.
Ni lawan yang kendu ya Chief Secretary. Hagbede bat ka jeng kentu ke jungi ya Chief Secretary ba udai ban penkelano lane ban scrap no ya kitu par kwai ke jeng thapkam hapo ka paragraph 2.2 jong ka reception policy kani ka paragraph 2.2 jong ka reception policy kaum gumni kaum baha ki district level laai kata ka combined reservation proportion de handrai kumbagi I menta na kini ki advertisement ki bami ha usnam arjar arpuar Januari usnam arjar arpulai ni iba ha ka bidai bat katu ka chief judicial magistrate kidan khat pratli ki post ki balad andang ila apa ya katu ka reserve kategori ngilap ba ukasi jongi hatu yo tang artli ki post o garo yo ndreu tli onyau tli nang ta ki on ndreu ndai ki on reserve adu pratli de halor jong kaneru kadon sekawai pat ka advertisement hapo jong ka GAD sekretariat nazarat gilat takis pautli ki post hantai ru lai bha ya ki garo da ka basim kabu ya kani ka compensate roster system da halor jong kani matageski hewan bu ya ka memorandum ka jonge sha Chief Secretary jong jala Meghalaya iba DP Walang ta ka bapuram ni de nyewan bu ikani ba katu ya ka sarkar langba jong ka district Chief Secretary jong jala Meghalaya ba ide ban pa scrap no ya kani ka illegal advertisement but ki illegal recruitment ha ki district level nama rakat kum ka para 2.2 ka kedau syai ba ha ki district level dan kam ban I first preference ya ki local permanent resident jong ketuka district
Lada deh hapo East Kasil District kamur lada hidan post ship hautuli la kumno la deh ban ai first preference singi ki nong East Kasil District. Hapo East Sentia kumta lada deh ha West Sentia lada ha East Garuhil West Garuhil perkhot ngiyo la kacong gabha. Kene ka proper person kalong thik na kabanta bangin ya kene hanrai la kadau syai ke para 2.2 ba dai ban ai pha ka ba kham karpang bat kham consider ya kitu ki traditional jong kitu district da halor jong kania na kalyang jong chips ke 3 la a yangi ka assurance bai ong bangin saya tai la sisngi kan don ka jingkhot jong ka sarkar ya bar khot ki sang bhalang ya bar khot ki political party ban ya keren halor kata ka reception policy lane kata ka reception roster te kum kasang hin adu ka basdang ngila ong ya ke sarkar ba nginom pediang ya ke jing ekran ke bedai roster system namar ka roster system ka dai tang ke jing betha jong ka high court kat kum ka office memorandum jong ka ba ship outrik jong banai basan arjar kuar halor kata ka office memorandum la betha ya bar khot ki line department ba ki dai ban pen kre no ka roster system te ka ai ka jing dawa ka bangi ngi yang adu menta kalong ba ngem tre aban ekran ka roster system ngin ekran be tek ya ka reception policy jing mi bar khot ki jing mi jong kani ka kanrum kanram ba jing sha thangan jong iba ardan ro ko persen jong BPP kami de namar jong ka jing bom ya bet jong ka reception policy da hakabede bugani ka jing khot jong ka sarkar ngin pet halor jong ka tai ka chithi ka ba kipha ka e ka ba kin mention lara ki akran halor ka system ngatra ngin nompriak lara ki pha halor ban ekran ya ka reception policy ngekloi ban pediang ban panlej ban yakran hak kata ka meeting jong kepala khat ke sarkar deng sngau ru hak ni kapor ban persngau sya ki parari jungi kampan ki babon ki breu ki basngau start ki basngau nang ki ba ong ba ngin pet ya kene ka office memorandum katkum ka office memorandum jong snam arjar arpuar ke basphau banai basan ka ongkum ni but it is observed that the recruitment of district level posts by the High Court is in violation of the provision of the clause 2.2 right hangni kani kade ka paragraph 2.2 la kadu sai balada phi phim thong phi my preference ya kitu ki district level ki traisong apo district kamot kade kajing violation lade kajing pankhen ya ka reception policy ya kataru ukon rak sangma balai usga menti hadu menta kalong namar ba ukwa man penrong ya kini gijat penreu ki jongu da ka ba penbon hapo ki district level hapo khasils ka jongu ngino pedang dalele ru ki garo menta ki labon ma hapo is khasils hawas khasils ki don hari boy district ki don ki kam trai menta ba ki trai snong kom ka sang nginom la ban pedang larap ngi pedang ya kene kamut mangiru ngila kubur bat kene ka jingle jong ka sarkar ban pedang ya kata ka roster system te handrai ladang ipet pat katkum kani ka katoka pajang ne phi mo kini ke badang mi ha ka arfly trick na bandre arja puar kibon ki post stenographer grade 1 kani de po megalia high court ngila pha city sha chief minister mata kesngi tamba umdo na silong ngila ai ka memorandum su ba udai ban scrap no ya kini bar khot kini ki post namar kum balong hangne na ki khalai tali ki post khasi yo tanglai garo yo nyau on reserve 11 nangta bat kini ki RST ki yo tang 11 balai ngi yo lai balai ki garo yo nyau hapo ki district level kini kiti kicing le bu to jong kene ka sarkar megalia hapo jinglam jong kora sama kele bu to hadu kata da ka ba ki pentrai kam ban sim ka bu ya ka system hagji syakam dai ban long kum ni namar ka roster system hi kalong ba pinha bania lara kawai ka post kadon lane ship hotli ki post kidon nangkong de ban thok ya ugaro lane khasi kanwan ka post ba are khasi ladere kabala ya ugaro ka basaw khasi ka de bania kumta hara yakane apa la system ba naki khalai tli ki post khasi tang nyau o tang lai ugaro nyau tli tengibu kane ka cingkeliru halor kane ka on reception ka on reserve seat ke jing shisha hapo ke district level amdai ban bo on reserve seat nomor on reserve kamot ya ki wai pat ki non tribal ki bala ban apply hapo ke district level dengis ngau bahkan ni ketika bah jongi kum ki try muluk te halor jong kata ke nongrem ngis ngau ban pen ken maru ya kani ka jing betha jong ka jing betha katkum ka office memorandum Ganemo Marundom PRAR 25 Arjar Arfuar Sipawasan mo the departments of heads of department are to submit their reservation roster and the proposed attachment to personal A and AR B department for betting of the same under the guise of betting. Rampant flouting of rule was allowed to persist. Kani kecing pendrung ya kani ka district level hapo ka reservation at district level. Kalau ada kecing lihat tu ka bakra wad hapo ka lok ayuk ta department tu. De halor jong kani ka nongrim ngisngau bat kentu ya kani ka sarkar konrak sangma. Ba wat pen thame yangi namar ngim tre abane kran bakrosa system ka jing themu ka jongin adu ka basdang ka jing dawa ka jongi kalong bengi dawa ba dai ban review ya ka reception policy. Kata kadai ka bakhadu ka bangin ai kani ka khubor ka basya su kontra sama ngilong mani chief secretary ba lada piong man khot ngin pediang kita ka jing khot tang halor ka city lada ka kedau syai bangin kran halor ka reception policy lat nang tang ngin tre abane kran namar balai ba pin thame yangi da ka roster system kata ka bomdan nongrem namar balai hadu menta ki jing berkhot kimi na reception policy.
The MLA of VPP, Bright Star Will Marbanyang, expressed his disappointment that other party leaders approached the people with the promise to revise the reservation policy. But when the time is ripe to act on the matter, it is sad to see words faded away in few months' time. He urged the people to question the concerned MLAs since it was the people who had lifted them to the chair of being the people's representatives. He added that the party VPP had already mentioned in the first place that they do not intend to discuss on the roster system while still focusing on the reservation policy.
Penpau menem step iyo ka city na kaliang jong sarkar agba ka government kala khot ka meeting ngan trai pilong aware datip ba ka government kala constitute yo ka committee kawan pet alor ka roster system. Jadi ba ka rekam de roster ka jela ka tongi kila pha XT nang receive menahi step ka por ba khatwei ji khatwei sting iyo de ka city ya ka ba ila khot di ba adan namar na thai play ila bu ila kentup ni kumwei na ki member jong ka committee roster committee ban discuss taksi ila ya bu bakan long ka por saw ba ji tari ka ba naswa ban update abang iyo ST na kaliang jongka government henrei namar hak tu sgi ila sukentup ya ka kerteng ka jong iba ardan hapo ka committee na kaliang jongka party kala song la ya perkhan bat min sto dia gi ka jinsang ila pen kre e ka city ban ila pa asal government da ka ba iba ardan ila kentai war badan benta bat kenika committee naman na kaliang jongka voice of the people party ka stand ka jongi na do kasin ka baningkong oh yang ngimtre banekren kabini bat ka rooster system namar balai makani ka rooster system ka pamentahi nak pencong nomrem hakata ka reservation policy ka pamenswa ka ba no sidang mo den makata daw nakaliang ka jungi yang imtre panjadan menta patindanika committee kaya ji siang la di ban pha mensi thodim ai la miet la lek ban ai ke sejain ru office ka khang ning sum le yo ban ai ti la sio ban ai menta ya kan HT na kaliang ka party jadi tak kata mangasuka ban brief mat jong pigi press kurani for bat jur bat ba tip di na kaliang ka juni nganong yu mau na kaliang ka juni kum ka party ban na kaliang ka juni kamtam saut di MLA itip pakani ka isu ka bakta ha ya ki kon sama ka juni la kalong ka bawat kam wat jam lani aki jingkuli ki bakhe nah iki badai namar kada ngalale supaya baru halor kani ka isu kawai na election manifesto ko tuni sibun tiban nilabu apo election manifesto ko tuni kawai na kita kada gani bangila ong hatu por raya supaya ba yong balada supaya ba open cup ini ka por ngin review ya kani ka reservation policy dan ray kumbaki nakaliang ka tuni beliau ini sahut di MLA Andai wala kataru yung inum snap dengan la kred la pasang bara ko assembly kumba pi ngim simlayo lan oh nang tapade nila pasang ban pha ka city banong bato convene ka special session banya discuss kerpang banya perkhat banya mirjut banya tai halor ka reservation policy rewat kataru nakaliang jong government kalong kuman kam le ndai dena makatara ni sapoi hadu kanika state government ta kumbang mapi ya kita ki wei pat ki MLA like wei ngut no kasong mo pat ba no pat ba orang kam menteri jikli kan ya ki menteri li bangi ni pendap no kai ka jing ka bau pat ba kuman dai ni ni snow bat kali kataru bangira Nei kadok kampat nakaliang jong pat baru ban keli ya kita ki wei pat ki MA. Tam mong suka ban hang ni. Tam kita ki political parties. Mo ki political parties ki bawat ka manifesto jong ki. Ki labu ya gani ki lek so pat ba halor kani. Mamaki ki ongin review ya ka reservation policy. Nei hadu mentapat ka basosi kalong ba nakaliang jong ki 4 don manu ban wan smat manong to. Mo ini freelang penurlong ya kan ikaman di ka bangay nakalian na nga mo ai kuway kelong ya teli kuway pat kijat penriu apa poi hi kamat ke isu sama jat penriu ki ya teli dai ka basosi pat nakalian ka jungi pan kita kuway pan ai baki tren lang pat kasur jong kuway mo de kata ka jikeli hi mo kasong pat ba ngata ai dia pat ba nomor 2 pat ba pensong ki ban keren nam ta ka jike ka jong pat ba kasong upai ba mau upai ba udah kaman keli ya kita tiba nikmat ban keren na kamta jongki hakai yang dorbar thawa kasong upai ba.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.